Good morning and hello, I'm Professor Code and this is the Forex Supermodel Racing Review and Forex Briefing for, Thursday the 20th of April 2023. Yesterday we had a good result for once on Wednesday the 19th, then we're at new market at 3 o'clock. It was the Field and Stakes, which is a sort of an early feed through to the Dante and the Derby quite often. We managed to hook the winner. We were on two horses there. We were on the number 3, which is Canberra Legend, which won at 15 to 2, 7.5 to 1. We were on 4 places on that at roughly evens, and at 15 to 2, which was the final odds, give or take. And we're also on this Regal Honour, which was number 9 for 4 places and a win. Which fortunately came 4th, so we basically got our money back on that bet, and then effectively we had the decent win on this other one. So overall we had £400 on at those sort of odds, half a unit exposure, and it gave us, if you're dealing in pounds, it gave us £8 and 9 pence profit on the stake overall, or £809 in our case. So the account came up a bit, 64.7 units from a peak of 74. So we've got it back a bit, and you don't need much to swing it when you get good odds. So we're about 10 units down from a floor of about 12.5. So we're starting to swing it back now, hopefully. We've had a good look at the racing today. There's all sorts of potential races. There's the Wood Ditton, which is for unraced 3-year-olds, the Maiden, and the Craven, feed to the 2,000 guineas. And there's all sorts of other stuff. The Abernant, which is the next phase after the Camage sprinting feed from Doncaster. And all in all, either the odds are too short or the competition's too great. So we're going to have to know better today, which is just the way it goes. So the account will be static tomorrow. So that's where we are there. On the Forex front, you've got 1:30. You've got US data, employment data, initial jobless. And then you've got this gap to about 4:30, 16:30, where you get all the a raft of speeches coming in from from the CAD, Bank of Canada, Fed, and much later on the ECB. So you've got a window from about 1:30 to 4:30. You've got about a 3-hour window. So depending, they may well front run the market into those speeches, and that's your window to be aware if you're trading Forex. So if you get strong or weak employment data and they sell or buy the dollar heavily, then it will have a natural break just after 4 o'clock as we run into these speeches, as they'll want to be wary of speech risk. So that's where we are there. Generally, that was an improvement. Say we've shifted back to the long end of the risk profile. We had 2 goes at the short end, which we didn't really like. We broke even effectively there. We had a winner 6 to 4 and a loss, a gruesome loss. But anyway, that was that. So. Anyway, hopefully that was useful. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and goodbye.